Hello and welcome to Fusion TV. My name is Emily. I'm a yoga, English, and French teacher at Fusion the Woodlands. And this morning I would like to lead you in a 3-minute meditation. It's a breathing practice meditation. The yoga term for it is Pranayama. The English term for it is square breath. Sit comfortably. You can do this at a desk, at a kitchen table, outside, indoors, on your bed, preferably not lying down on your bed. In class, we learned that meditation is relaxation with awareness, and Shavasana, everybody's favorite period that comes at the end of an active yoga practice, is relaxation without awareness. So this meditation is to be done with awareness. That's why we ask that you're sitting upright, not lying down, but as comfortable as you can be. So find that comfortable spot. Even if you need to pause the video, move around in your house or the bus station or wherever you may find yourself. And once you've decided where you want to be in geographical location, settle there, sitting upright on the floor, on a chair, in a church pew, and just find your place in space. By that I mean locate your feet on the floor, not with your eyes, but with the eyes of your mind. Feel your toes. If you're sitting on the floor, you may be cross-legged or legs outstretched. You can feel your heels against the carpet or the earth, whatever is solid underneath you. And feel your sits bones, in other words, your butt, underneath you. Feel your spine. If you need to adjust your spine, pay attention. Sometimes we walk around with one shoulder higher than the other all day and we don't even realize it. So pay attention to the placement of your shoulders in relation to your spine, to whether or not you're leaning towards one side or the other, and make very slight micro adjustments to the placement of your body in your space so that you're evenly aligned. Begin to slow down. Whatever you've done so far this morning, even if you've just gotten out of bed, wherever your thoughts took you, whatever your hands have been busy with all day today, physically and mentally and emotionally lay all of that down beside you. Better yet, put it in a little bundle, set it outside the door. You could come back to it later. If you have a long to-do list, all of those items are still going to be waiting for you when you finish. So just mentally leave them to the side and come back into your body, your flesh. Take a deep breath in through the nose. Eyes are still open at this point, and open your mouth and sigh everything out. Do that again. It feels pretty good. Let it feel good. Deep breath in through the nose. As you inhale, begin to tune the senses of your ears to the sounds around you. Open your mouth. Exhale. Take another deep breath in through the nose. And at the top of your inhale, lightly close your lips together and exhale through the nose. Eyes are closed, lips are closed, ears are open. Begin to listen. Listen to those sounds close by you, and then take your listening a little bit further away from you. What's happening outside the door to your study? What's happening outside in your yard or your neighborhood. Hopefully you can bring in some sounds of nature or some soothing music. Even if there are distracting sounds around you, just let them play themselves out. They're doing what they're doing, and you're doing what you're doing, which is slowing the breath, paying attention to where you are in space, your feet, your seat, your hands in your lap or on your thighs, your fingers relaxed, your face, jaw, and eyelids relaxed. Breathe in through the nose. Hold that breath for a sip of air before you exhale. Now we're going to begin our practice called square breath. You'll follow my count, and it's an inhale for 4, hold the breath for 4, exhale for 4, and hold it at the bottom for 4. So as you exhale, before you inhale again, you're completely empty for a count of 4. If for any reason this count makes you feel panicky, if you feel like you cannot fully inflate or deflate your lungs, please don't get panicked, don't stress. You can pause the video, we can adjust the count. You can adjust the count for yourself if the count of 4 doesn't work for you. We'll try to make it work for everybody out there watching and taking time out for yourself to meditate right now. So breathe in through the nose, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, 3, 2, 1. Hold that breath out, 2, 1. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4. Breathe out, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4. Again, in, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4. Out, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4. One more, in, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4. Out, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4. Return to your normal breathing pattern. Keep the eyes closed. Follow your own breath. If thoughts rushed back in to take the place of all of those numbers, just ask them to wait patiently for a few more moments. Perhaps you count your breath to yourself, 1 on the in, 2 on the out, or perhaps we just sit in silence together for about 20 seconds, steadying the breath, being in the body. Keeping your eyes closed, allow your mind to open. Allow those thoughts to float back in, all the while being mindful of this comfortable, easy feeling in your body. And thank yourself. Include in your thoughts a thank you to yourself for taking the time to sit still, to spend about 10 minutes in meditation and stillness, and promise yourself that you'll take this feeling and ease of mind back into your day. Thank you for joining me.